0K processor build that I'm actually editing out right now. I'm going to upload to the website, and just got the shipment in for the AMD. What we're going to build is an actual AMD, the new series, the FX8 core. And this is actually the 8350. I recently, about 7 months ago, we actually built the 8150, and this is actually going to be a faster machine. Just want to lay this out so you guys can see what we got going here. We're not going to use that fan, we're going to use a water cooler. Just give you guys a little shot of what all this is here. So this is the Vertex 4 solid state drive, 128 gigabytes. I bought the 16 gigabytes of Viper RAM at 2133 megahertz. Okay, so that's some decent RAM right there. 16 gigs of it. Right there we have the AMD. Okay, so just wanted to show you what we're going to be working with. We have 16 gigs of Viper DDR3 2133 megahertz of RAM. And we got 16 gigabytes of that. I have a Vertex 4 solid state drive, 128 gigs. And I have an AMD. This chip is the 8320. We're going to be installing the 8320, and when the 8350 is off backdraft, I will show you the video of me swapping that out. So that is the FX, and I'm also going to be overclocking this, and that's why I bought the water cool system. And using the AMD R6670 M5 A97 motherboard.